What's up, guys? It's back on another Maddox to be a YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking about another Pokemon card video. I love these, and I'm probably going to post them most of the time now. Maybe a little gaming, but mostly Pokemon cards, so get used to it. And this intro is probably going to stay out long. And today we're actually opening another Build and Battle Pokemon box, Scarlet and Violet, Play Level 2. And I actually already opened it. And we also have my binder. And if you remember last time, we actually got 3 big hitters. I already know we got these 2, but I checked on eBay and this one is pretty good. It's selling for lots of money, and I like it. And you guys can zoom in. It's on this page. Oh, wait. There you guys go. All those 3 cards. And today we're going to see if we could get more than 3 hitters in this box. So let's open it. And this time I was actually training, so I don't need to ask my editor for help. And also, please don't just, like in my other video I want to post, just don't be mean, please. I'm just trying to post, I'm just trying to make sure that the video gets super likes, and I'm just trying to make my family realize that what I'm doing is maybe actually worth it. So please don't just, I just want to try to make money, so please don't say it's bad in the comments. You could say what like other Pokemon boxes I could do, but just don't say anything bad. So first, we're gonna start off with this. These are all the hitters we want to get, and I probably might need. Maybe I do have a Koraidon in here. If you guys could see, I have a Koraidon right here. You guys don't know what's coming up, but I might get its friend right here. If you can see that. But right now we're looking at this. Here are the cards we want. We want a Basic Energy, Basic Lightning Energy, Well Candy, Nest Ball, Koraidon EX, Mylodon EX, Penny, Milo. So we're basically just looking after these last 3 right here. The ones that have all 3 stars we're looking at. Then we're going to open up this. I don't know what this is, but let's open it. Wait. What? Okay, we're going to open this last. Which one should we open first? I'll go with the trio. Okay, I'm going with the trio. I want something good in these. So Pokemon Lords, please bring something that shines and it's really good. I just want a card pack. I'll take that any time of the day. Anytime card pack. Just card pack. Oh, okay, if you don't know what card packs are, let me tell you. Card packs are like everything in them is good. Every Pokemon card is good in them. And that's what I'm hoping for. So also we get energy. So here you guys go. All this. Here's the code. Zoom in. All scan. Okay. And the trick is 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start off with the T. 5L. And also I'll place them right here. Okay, so these look okay. Stone. Basic energy. Our energies go right here. Magneton. Magic. Cool. I like that. Tundra. Okay. Nothing out of this pack. This pack did nothing. Next pack. We want something good in these. Something that's gonna make a change. Also, I'm giving away some cards I don't want. So these I might be giving away. So just put your name out there, and I'll be giving them away. Just tell me your email address, and I'll just send them right to you. And you get the codes that you want. They won't be the best, but still, there's another code. Because if you guys play the game, I just don't want to open packs, and I'll go ahead and get the codes. So there you go. Arrows in my please. Okay. So I'm putting these over here, and these over here. We're going with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guaymo. Poquito. Ooh, I saw this one at Tokyo on EX. It looked pretty good. Basic energy, magic cup again, magic time, energy switch, bottom, Flappy, Blessy, and Youngster. I don't know why, but this one already came in the other one. So you know what? We're gonna go on the next one. I'm pretty sure anyone now, like every new generation, gives you at least one energy, if I'm correct. So we're gonna go with you. Oh, wait, sorry. There you guys go. I will put good. Scan QR code. Time to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, blue one. I don't know why, but we're getting the startle. So if you watch Pokemon Horizon, at the end right now of the seasons, on all the seasons, you'll find this one. It evolves. Energy. What? Okay, so this one is this full form. This is the last form. Let's see if we get the second one. This one. We want this. That's what we're looking at for now. Nothing? Okay. So far, we have gotten nothing good out of these. We're gonna need something. Something to help us out a lot. Maybe a guard pack. That's what we're looking after, a guard pack. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Just guard pack. And I'm gonna probably be doing this maybe super often, like straight after Christmas. I'm probably gonna do it super often just to show you guys. And I might be doing some Pokemon. I might be doing some Roblox videos soon. Say in the comments if you want me to do Roblox videos. Say it. And if you can't, I'll just start doing it. And it depends how many likes. If we get all 14, then that'll be cool. Wait. But I don't see the guard pack, but I do like the shininess. So we have birthday guys. Also, should I be doing it like this? I didn't even notice. We got a Mylodon. I know it's not EX form, but still, it's Mylodon. I'll take it. I'll take it any day. I'm gonna start doing it from like this. Just for this pack since it's the last. Oh my gosh. It's getting scary. Okay. We have Lucario. There you guys go. Lucario. Okay, that's all packs. Now we have this. Okay, Edo, can you please open it? So, meanwhile, since I didn't get any really good pulls, but still, this Lucario's okay. The ult is just amazing. Now it's just amazing. But I'm wondering if I should keep this one in, because it's not the best. It's not even an EX, but it has cool out. So I keep cool out ults. Also I keep radiance. So I cool out. And say, is this what like full auto? I don't know what full auto. I can't tell for like if it's this or if it's like this. But like I always think it should be these two, right? Because look, they have like the background's still in, whereas these guys they just have like this. It's like this right here, full out, right? Full out. I can't tell if they're full outs or not because look, see that's not zero, that's not zero, that's not zero. Well, I just like this because of the ult, but that's not zero and that's not zero. It's just full color. So I'm wondering. Oh wait, I mean this one, or I mean this one. And also my arrow just got done finishing this. I don't know why these come in like mono packs all of a sudden, but they just do. Okay, what do we have here? We have lots of cards. Of course, we're gonna have a water energy. Then I love these. Last pack we also got it. We have this, so like they give you like Tornado tips now. And that's all water types. I don't know why. Well, first card of the day. I don't really know. Can you guys say it for me? Okay, we have water energy, water energy. Are these all just water energies? Oh wait, they're not all. Found some cards. Quaxie. To guess. Quaxleo. Nothing. Want the EX version. I thought that was it. Quaxley. Are these just the same things? That's the same. Young store version. What in the Pokemon? You're weird. Because look. Look. They give me doubles. Like so many doubles. Look at that. Double. Look. There are doubles. What is going on here? Like, what is going on here? So we got nothing the greatest in the packs, but we got lots of energies, and I love energies. I don't know why, but energies are the best. And this is it. This was the box that we were opening. If you want to buy it for yourself, it's a $20 box. I'm pretty sure it's actually 10. It's somewhere near 20s, but hope you have a good day and peace out.